Hello guys, so we are here with another question and we will be solving the mass spring system and finding the solution of it. The equation of the mass spring system is given as y double dash 20 plus 25y equals 24 sin t. So first we know that y equals to yh plus yp. That is the equation of transient motion of a spring. Equation of transient motion. So now first we'll try to find y for yh. So we consider for yh y double dash plus 25y equals to 0. Here we get the basic equation lambda square plus 25 equals to 0. So lambda equals to plus minus 5y. We know that lambda equals to a plus minus bi. So phi 1 depending on t is basically e a t cos b t. So it is cos 5t here, and phi 2 t is e a t sin b t sin 5t here. So we found the solution. Now the yh is equal to c1 by principle of superposition cos 5t plus c2 sin 5t. So this is yh. Now for yp, that is the steady state. So for steady state we know that yp equals to a cos t plus b sin t. Now we'll find y double dash y dash p, which is minus a sin t plus b cos t, and now y double dash p, that is minus a cos t minus b sin t. Now we'll put y double dash p and y in the equation. So we get minus a cos t minus b sin t plus 25 a cos t plus b sin t equals to 24 sin t. So here we get 24 a cos t plus 24 b sin t equals to 24 sin t. So comparing the coefficients of sin t and cos t, we get b equals to 1 and a equals to 0. So therefore yp equals to sin t. Now our equation becomes y equals to yh plus yp. We know that yh equals to c1 cos 5t plus c2 cos 5 sin 5t plus sin t, which is yp. Now we have the initial value condition that y0 equals to 0. So c1 cos 0 plus c2 equals to 1. I am sorry for the mistake. Sin 0 plus sin 0 equals to 1. Therefore c1 equals to 1. Now y dash 0 is also equal to 1. Therefore c1 sin 0 minus plus c2 cos 0 5 c2 cos 0 5 c1 sin 0 plus 5 c2 cos 0 plus cos 0 equals to 1. This implies 5 c2 equals to 1 plus 1 equals to 1. Therefore c2 equals to 0. Therefore the equation becomes y equals to cos 5t plus sin t. So this is the required equation we get. Now for the graph of this, so basically we have this graph, means like for example if you have y equals to x equals to y and y equals to x plus 5, the difference between both the graph is just shift. So similarly this is a graph of cos 5t shifted by sin t. So this is how we draw this graph and come to the conclusion. This is a rough sketch, not up to scale, so sorry if you are not able to grasp hold to it, but I hope you understand the basic concept. So this is basically cos 5t up to plus sin t. So this is the curve we'll get for the whole equation. But when y equals to yp, then y equals to sin t, and then the curve would be just a sine curve. It is a simple sine curve with just a simple sine curve. So this is how the motion will happen in steady state, and this is the overall state. So this is the solution for this question. I'll repeat the solution again. So we got this equation, then we solved lambda equals to plus minus 5i, then we solved for yh and we got this, then we solved for yp, we found y double dash p, and then put into the equation, find the value of a and b, and then we got yp equals to sin t. Then we use y equals to yh plus yp, and then using the IVP we found that y equals to cos 5t plus sin 5t, and then we drew the graph. I showed you the example of the difference between the curve of x plus 5 and x, and if it depends on 2x then the curve would shift